This week, swipe your American Express debit card at any retailer or for online purchases to stand a chance to win a weekend stay at any hotel valued up to 30,000 rand. Join my FANS Wethu TV, Nedbank Cup, Chippa 1, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by my brother Ekse 1.
My name is Derek. I come from Honeydew branch.
Derek, what did you think about today's game, my brother?
I'm very impressed by my coach and my players.
Yes.
Everybody know that our coach did a very good job.
Yes.
And we are coming from Nedbank.
Yes.
We are here for winning to go to Mbombela to meet maybe Sundowns or Sundowns.
3-1!
I want Sundowns.
Who do you want in the final?
Sundowns.
What are you going to do against Sundowns, my father?
I want to teach them lesson to know that Ferret is a big team.
Yes.
And in Sundowns, they can't play with Ferret.
Yes.
Even anymore.
Yes.
That's why I want Sundowns in my heart and my everything.
Yes.
And every supporter of Orlando Ferret want Sundowns by all means.
Yes.
We don't need any clubs. It's a small team. I want Sundowns in my heart.
Can I have your man of the match for today?
Yes.
Your man of the match. Who was your man of the match?
Makaula. Because it's the one who controls the midfield.
Yes.
Makaula.
Yes.
And it's the stop nonsense.
Yes.
Yeah. Because I gave them a man of the middle because they attack and they attack. They don't need anything.
Yes.
Yeah, they need
Tito.